Welcome back to another show. I'm Sid, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this simple face censored bar tutorial. This is for Spark AR Studio for making filters in Instagram and Facebook apps. So this is very simple. Let's open up a new project and I'll show you how to get started. First thing you want to add to our scene is a face tracker, just down here, and then nested inside of that we're going to add a plane. As you can see, I'll make this larger. Completely tracks onto his face as he moves around. Now we can adjust the scale of this under transformations. So this is the x-axis. We make it smaller, it becomes super thin. We make it larger, it becomes wider. I think somewhere in the middle is probably good, like 1.35, 1.25 maybe. And then on the y-axis we want maybe 0.5, 0.4. Yeah, that seems about right. I'm not going to adjust the Z. Okay, now that we've got this, we can add a material layer and change the color over here to black. I'd also recommend changing the shader type to flat so that it's a neutral color and doesn't reflect any light from the scene or the environment. You can also import your own texture here if you like, so if you draw something in Photoshop or GIMP, then you can import that and add it as an overlay. You know, if you want. I don't know what you'd want, but experiment and just maybe let me know in the comments what you actually come up with. So yeah, now we're going to come back over here, just quickly zoom in on this and refresh and get a nice clean, just drag it up a little bit, maybe move it slightly forwards. Yeah, so give that a reset. Nice one. So if I come over to our in camera, you can see that there is our filter sensor bar tracking onto my face. It's taking a little while to reset. I think we could probably do with some minor adjustments, but you can use the adjust, scale, rotate and scale options above to move things around in this scene. I'm on a Mac. You can use two fingers, click down together and dragging around like you're in Blender, same sort of deal. It's like a 3D scene, so you can move around, adjust the y-axis, the x and the z. But yeah, this is a very simple tutorial. Let me know if it helped. Leave a comment below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and keep an eye out for some more videos coming soon, I guess. Thanks. Bye.